You've heard the names. These are the cars everyone swears by. The mechanic said it'll last forever. It's a Honda, you can't kill it. Yeah? Tell that to the repair bill for the transmission that just exploded. Today, we're exposing 5 cars with a reputation for reliability that are secretly wallet-destroying nightmares. They'll run fine, right up until they don't, and then you're broke, confused, and emotionally betrayed. Let's get into it. I know. Saying a Honda is unreliable is like saying puppies are mean. But hear me out. It's not the engine, it's the CVT transmission. In Civics and Accords from 2014 to 2017, Honda's continuously variable transmission had one job: be smooth and efficient. Instead, it said, what if I self-destruct at 80,000 miles and cost $4,000 to replace? It's smooth, until it slips, shudders, or just stops working. And because it's a CVT, you can't repair it easily, you just replace the whole thing. Awesome. Great MPG though, until your bank account is also running on fumes. Oh, it's a Ford. It's cheap, easy to fix, and reliable, right? Sure, unless you bought one with the PowerShift dual-clutch transmission. These things were about as smooth as a roller coaster on cobblestones. Jerky shifts, slipping, shuddering, and Ford even got hit with a class action lawsuit over it. Repairs? Can be $3,000 or more, and some owners had to replace their transmissions multiple times. If you see a used Focus or Fiesta from this era, just know, it's not a car. It's a trap with headlights. Yes, we're dragging the sacred Camry, specifically the ones from 2007 to 2011 with the 3.5-liter V6. Mechanically solid? Sure, but the real problem is massive oil consumption. Some of these Camrys would drink oil like it was iced tea on a summer day, and we're talking a quart every 1,000 miles. Toyota eventually acknowledged the issue, but if you're out of warranty, fixing it means a costly piston ring replacement, which runs $2,000 to $3,000. So yes, it'll run forever, if you're okay with carrying motor oil in the trunk like it's windshield washer fluid. Subaru fans, take a seat. The 2011 to 2014 Outback and Legacy had all the right ingredients: symmetrical all-wheel drive, great winter performance, and a reputation for toughness. But the CVT transmission and head gasket issues were deal breakers. Oh, and let's not forget the excessive oil consumption again. Head gasket repairs? Expect to shell out $1,500 to $2,500. And when the CVT goes, that's a $5,000 bill that shows up faster than a Subaru at a ski resort. So yes, it'll get you to the mountains, but the price of getting back down? That's between you and your mechanic. But it's German, it's precision engineered. Yeah, precision engineered to make you broke. The 2010 to 2013 BMW 328i used the N20 turbocharged 4-cylinder, and while it's quick and fun, it comes with a bonus round of problems: timing chain failures. And if the timing chain fails, the engine doesn't just stop, it eats itself alive. Fixing it can cost $3,000 to $5,000, and if the damage is bad enough, you'll be looking at a new engine. Great. So yes, it's a joy to drive, until it becomes a paperweight with leather seats. And there you have it, 5 reliable cars that might actually ruin your wallet. They've got the name, the rep, the resale value, but under the hood lurks a financial ambush. So before you buy what everyone says is bulletproof, make sure it's not firing those bullets directly at your bank account. If you've been burned by one of these reliable cars, tell us your horror story in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more brutally honest car advice, right here on Petrol Magazine. Thanks for watching. Now go check your oil level, just in case.